Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here, friends. While we wait for the Q1 earnings from NVIDIA, I want to share with you my thoughts around how AI is progressing, especially AI in PCs, and kind of linking it to something similar to what happened with the iPod, which then became the iPhone ultimately. The metamorphosis from a simple concept to a more complex concept. I think something similar is happening with the PC. I also want to reflect on what this means for Intel, ARM, Qualcomm, and AMD. So that's what I'm going to talk about. And I hope you can listen to the end of this video and then share your comments on what you think about it. But overall, I'm thinking that tomorrow, when NVIDIA comes up with its results, we are expecting something spectacular, which it should deliver, and that could lead to the next rally. But we should also be careful because NVIDIA has this habit of running up to the earnings and then dropping after the earnings to raise again later on. So just be careful about that. I'm not saying it will happen again, but be careful about that. With that said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. The landscape of computing is undergoing a significant transformation as AI integration becomes the focal point of innovation. And Microsoft has taken a bold step by embedding artificial intelligence directly into its Windows operating system, introducing a new range of AI powered computers. And these developments are expected to revive the stagnating PC market by bringing forth a new era of AI PCs. Now, along with a new era of AI PCs, you can look at the gaming sector as a totally different area, which is going to benefit to a great extent. But coming back to the main point, at the heart of this transformation is the Copilot Plus series, which includes advanced AI tools integrated into devices like the new Surface Pro tablet and Surface laptop. These machines leverage OpenAI's GPT-4.0 technology, 4.0 technology, allowing for real-time spoken conversations and interactions using text and vision. This represents a significant leap towards Microsoft's long-standing goal of creating computers that understand us rather than the other way around. And this nicely fits in with Jensen Huang's declaration at the GTC that AI means you speak to the computer and the computer understands you. So it's all in sync. And this AI integration is more than just a rebranding of existing features like Copilot and backup services. It's paving the way for the next generation of truly AI driven PCs. Notably, these AI tools can operate without an internet connection as the processing occurs directly on the device, ensuring enhanced functionality and security. And that brings to mind what would happen to services like DAL-E and Bard and others who are connected to the internet. Like for example, DALI needs to be connected to the internet in order to give us graphics. So what happens to those business models is a question that I have, but that's parked for a subsequent video. Let me come back to the original topic. Several innovative features stand out in the new AI PCs. The recall feature is similar to existing backup functionalities, and it acts as a personal time machine, enabling users to quickly locate documents, images, and websites on their computer. Team Copilot, which parallels note-taking features available in platforms like Zoom, serves as a meeting facilitator by creating agendas and taking notes for the entire team. Bringing these capabilities together in an AI PC is a game changer in my opinion, especially with the added benefit of internet-independent AI. This shift is poised to benefit key players in the semiconductor industry. I think AMD and Intel, both giants in PC processor market, are likely to see a resurgence as the demand for AI-capable hardware grows. Additionally, Qualcomm is already flying high, and Qualcomm is emerging as a significant player, with Dell and Microsoft both heavily investing in Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors for their new models. And Snapdragon processors are known for high efficiency and performance. Apple is also on the cusp of revolution, preparing to unveil AI-powered tools for its iPhone and Mac platforms, likely powered by their upcoming M4 chips. The focus on ARM technology across the board ensures low power consumption coupled with high computing power, making ARM-based computers increasingly vital in the AI era. So this is likely to boost the share price for ARM. And parallel to these developments, NVIDIA remains a cornerstone of the AI push, with numerous industry leaders forming partnerships to leverage NVIDIA's AI capabilities as we anticipate NVIDIA's earnings report on May 22, strong results could trigger a new rally in the market. Historically, NVIDIA stock tends to surge in the run-up to earnings, followed by a temporary dip post-announcement, and then resuming its upward trajectory over a period of time. So I'm not saying it's going to happen again this time, as I mentioned before, but one has to be careful about that. Jeff Blabber, CEO of CCS Insight, notes that while Microsoft and its partners have made a strong start, they must ensure that AI becomes more than just a buzzword with numerous features. This sentiment is echoed by Jitesh Ubrani, a research manager at IDC, who highlights that despite its small market share, the Surface line serves as an inspirational brand and a front runner in innovation. So Microsoft's aggressive AI strategy is already showing financial success with significant year-over-year growth in revenue and profits, largely driven by the AI enhancements in its Azure cloud services. This success story extends to their broader AI investments, such as $3.3 billion data hub in Wisconsin, aimed at training workers and fostering innovations. And while the introduction of internet-independent AI tools could potentially disrupt business models reliant on cloud-based AI like Google's Bard or for that matter DAL-E, only time will tell how significant this disruption will be. This development is just the first step in a series of innovation akin to the iPod, which evolved into the iPhone. A great future lies ahead as AI continues to become an integral part of everyday computing. Now, if we take a analogous view of how Java went into each device and we had Internet of Things, so AI can percolate into various areas. And also these AI computers, when they go into various organizations, they are going to lend themselves to create more synergies and more productivity in each of these industries. As a result, I think overall, a large sector of the NASDAQ as well as Dow Jones and S&P, all of them will start showing a higher multiple because their efficiency will go up. So that's my expectation. And in summary, I would say that the integration of AI into PC marks a crucial turning point for the tech industry. It promises not only to rejuvenate the PC market, but also to drive substantial gain for companies at the forefront of AI and semiconductor technologies. As AI continues to become an integral part of everyday computing, we can expect to see sustained growth and innovation across the board, across industries, where there will be greater productivity. Now, this also means that all of us as entrepreneurs, employees, or consultants or investors, we all have to get our heads around how the society is going to change, how the industry is going to change, because we are looking at the confluence of multiple industrial revolutions into one. Because on the other side is robotics, which needs brain, and the brain will come from AI, and with ARM and the growth of transmission technologies into 5G and 6G, it's going to be very interesting how robotics can pick up remote processing in order to deliver very, very near time decisions in order for the robots to respond to its circumstances and do various tasks. So it's all going to be a very interesting period of time. And those of us who keep track of all these things have a golden opportunity to ride this wave. And those of us who miss the ball are likely to fall behind, only to struggle and try to reach somewhere. So that's my thinking, my friends. I would like to hear from you what you are expecting from NVIDIA results, which is going to come up tomorrow. Put it in the comment section. And also broadly on the AI PC, do you think it's just a fad, or is it something like the iPod, which is then going to transform into something like an iPhone? Is that what's going to happen with Surface Pro? So I would like to hear from you, and I'll catch up with you again in the next video. See you then. Bye for now.